In the silence of the night, I hear your name, like a whisper on the wind calling me again. Though the distance grows, your light remains, guiding me through joy and pain.
Once we walked beneath the golden skies, hands entwined, lost in each other's eyes. Every breath, every touch, a melody. A love so strong, it set my spirit free. Yeah. But time can change and waves can rise, yet love will never fade with time. Though life may take us far apart, you still live inside my heart. Whoa, love's a river flowing wide, through every storm, through every tide. No force of time, no wind so strong can break a love that lingers on. My heart will go on beyond the sky, across the sea where echoes fly. No force of time, no wind so strong can break a love that lingers on. My heart will go on beyond the sky, across the sea where echoes fly. No storm can break, no time erase the love we shared, the dream we chased. Though life may change, though we may part, you live forever in my heart. Close my eyes and there you are, a flame still burning like a star. Through every shadow, every storm, your voice still calls, your arms still warm, yeah.